Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, Mr. Arora.
How are you, sir?
All well, all well.
All well. How is the lockdown scenario over there?
It's lockdown. In lockdown, we just simply we are staying home.
Okay, okay. So, welcome to education post COVID-19 with Mosam. And before we go further, I would want you to give us little introduction about yourself.
Fine, fine. Mosam, I am Naresh Kumar,
Okay.
Chairman, Learning Temple High School, Kathua, Jammu Kashmir.
Hmm.
So it's a high school having we are around 800 plus.
Okay. Okay. So, sir, बताओ ये जो these times are totally unprecedented times. किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि we'll face these kind of times in our life. So, what do
जी
you
बिल्कुल.
think? What do you think? How does this affect the education and schools in coming time? कुछ change आएगा education में?
Definitely, Mosam, definitely change. As we all know, that change is the law of nature.
Right.
So I think education में change जो है वो आएगा भी.
Right.
क्योंकि now we have to think that how can we conduct like physical as well as virtual classes. So
Right.
that's we have to think. Previously, we don't never thought of it that whether it is possible to conduct the classes without the physical presence of the students.
Right.
So now we have to think. We have to think it very minutely that in this such situation, so whether the students are not able to come to school physically, so how can we teach them without their physical presence? That's the basic thing, you know.
Right. Right. So in these times with lot of teaching happening digitally or remotely, how do you think we can make education more learner centered?
So I think teaching through by means of this that concept of e-learning must be there. So by
Right.
means of e-learning, we can approach our students.
Right.
So no doubt teachers can play their role. Without teachers, it is not feasible. It is not possible. But so we have to adopt some platform to reach to our students. So that is, I think, it's the best way is e-learning.
Right. And one subject you want to introduce in your school, which is not in any of the board you are affiliated with.
I think as per this current situation, so I think emotional well-being of the students and all the associates is very important. So from this from the current situation, I feel that now it should be a subject which is like based on emotional well-being.
Right, right. Like happiness curriculum with Delhi government introduced.
Absolutely, definitely.
Right. And what do you think about the robotics, IoT, artificial intelligence, all these technologies which have become the buzzword nowadays?
Yes, Mosam, I think AI is now, as per the scenario, we know that reports are saying that artificial intelligence is growing by around 47.5% in American, education market. So the demand for AI skills, persons who are like expert in AI is growing right now. So in view of that, I think it is very important to start this platform that is AI or robotics or whatever it is, which is based on which is like fully computer based things.
Right.
So we have to implement these things initially in our schools. It is very important now after this pandemic. So I personally realized that using AIs and delivering education through these platforms now it is very important. Otherwise, we think that it is like good for higher education. But now in the current situation, we are like in a view that it should be right from the primary education. AI must be included.
Right, right. And how do you plan to introduce in your school, this in your school?
So basically, right now we are using LMS basically.
Okay.
That is a learning management system.
Right.
From it is based on NLP. It is the next learning platform through which we are using this LMS.
Okay.
So as far as our teachers are not so expert in this, for me it is again a new concept. But
Right.
we are like we want to like have a full control over it, so that we can reach every individual student of our school for their education. So right now we are using LMS basically.
Okay. Okay. And before I end the interview, one suggestion from your side to your counterparts across India.
I just it's my not a suggestion. I can say it's my humble submission that in this critical situation, so we must take care of our people, so who are associated with us. So this is very important, that like our staff, whether teaching or non-teaching, like students, our parents. So we have to like develop communication with them. By any means, we have to communicate with them. So it's time to make a connect with our associates, with our people. That's very important, I think.
Right. That's a beautiful thought. And thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable time. It was a pleasure interviewing you and talking to you.
Yes, Mausam. Same here, same here. I really appreciate your this to carry forward in advance about what to do in after COVID-19. So you people are like looking forward, and this initiative is really very good from your side. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.